Outdoors. We got this maniac that's trying to ride this KLX 140. It's actually mine from 2006. Got a big gun exhaust cranker up. Kick it dirt bike. Can you kick a dirt bike? Is it on? Is it on? Bird out and just hold the camera. Oh my. That took a whole minute. We were filming for 1 minute only. Yeah. You succeeded of getting us millions of likes. You're not done though. You're not done. You're riding this thing. Oh, okay. He doesn't know what. Yeah, put something in here. Or need me to click it for you? No, down the road. Yeah. He almost died. Oh no. Alright, let's switch up. Alright, he does not know how to ride a dirt bike. Starting the video. Does not know how to ride a dirt bike. Should I do a high-speed pass-through for the camera? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I wish we had one of these brackets. I'm actually good. Besides him, I'm actually good. Alright, get out there. I'm gonna do a high-speed pass. Let Josh do it since he can get closer to the road. I can get closer to it. Alright, get close. Like I'm gonna run right by you. Alright. You want me to hold my phone. Hold my phone. Don't want video. Actually, can you do a snap? Yeah. Oh, baby. No, do this. I'll do the snap. Okay, we're going down the trail. We're going to the right. He's about to do something. He's going. Alright, well he's out there. We're videoing. This kid sucks. Alright, he's coming back. Do you see him, guys? Oh my God! He just flew by us. That was crazy. Alright, you want to go hunting? Maybe a little fishing, maybe. Well, there's still a big bait out there and hope for something, maybe. We're running away from here. We're running. Keep running. Don't stop running. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. We're running. Grab it. Grab everything. Grab the gun. You missed the healing. We're gonna film this reaction. Yeah, the camera just like. Oh, it's crazy. Where's my? And you video it? This is the man, the myth, the legend. Did it turn off? Good morning. Now we're gonna squirrel hunt. I'm gonna hit the camera back. Yo. Bro. This guy sucks. By the way, YouTube, this gun's not real. Please don't demonetize this. This is a pellet. That was insane. Billy wasn't ready for it. It was just. This guy, pipes like he pulled up today, and this guy, you see him? He's never rode a dirt bike before, so we decided to do a funny video of him crashing. But the rest of the video we're probably gonna be squirrel hunting. So, this guy. That guy. He's the guy that crashed right there. Because he sucks at riding. Was that a good film? Might go get a squirrel blind, or we might just walk up. The squirrel we killed earlier, we're gonna eat him. Yep. This guy hasn't. Yeah, he hasn't seen it. He just rode up like. Yeah, I just pulled up. There might be. Can I give you a demo on how to shoot this thing? No. They don't need no demo. They don't want to hear you. You never hear shot. I have shot him. Yeah. A lot of shot. Stop. Oh, it goes in this way. Stop. Okay, got it in. Now, you see how this is not a real gun, so you've got to do that. Hey, should I call somebody? Tell them to say hi to the fam? Yeah. Yep. Alright, he's going to call. You're on YouTube listening to you with 1,000. He's got like 1,000 followers. What do you want to say? YouTube, 1,000 followers.
Wait, what?
You're literally, YouTube's hearing you, and this guy that you're filming from, BP Outdoors, he's got 1,000 followers. What do you want to say to YouTube? Everybody's gonna see it.
Oh, go follow me. Go subscribe to me.
What is it? What is it? Yeah, what is it?
Let me check. I'm watching YouTube right now.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna give you a little bit now. No, we know how to shoot. Let's shoot somebody's leg. Yeah. Nah. Eeny, meeny, mo. Oh, God. Oh, bro, that's a road. Shoot the road? No, I shot the cup. You missed. Oh, no. Boom, boom, boom. No, you gotta hit that concrete. Film this, film this. Watch this. Alright, we'll pull it right now.
My computer's not working. What the freak? I'm fine. Okay. I'm fine.
I don't know what I'm doing, chat. Just what do you want to say? Just say what do you want to say. Alright, we'll figure it out. We'll put it down in the comments. We'll put it down in the comments. Alright. See ya. Go. We got 10. We can come back. This guy? This kid's funny. Pull Axel. No, this kid's funny. I'm gonna watch the video and see what goes on. Right? This way. Yes. We're gonna go show y'all the squirrel that we killed literally right there, like somewhere. Guys, I'm a monkey. Alright, this guy's a monkey, so. It was literally up on that branch. Yep. Yeah, that's the one. That's where we were playing. Right here is where we laid down the squirrel. Right there. You can see the blood. See that leaf? He just got some blood. He's got blood all over him. It's right up there. Let's go find him. stay tuned. No deer, because we don't have the right gun for that. And we might get demonetized if we bring a real gun out. And if y'all subscribe, remember the fully automatic pellet pistol. Glock 19 pellet pistol. Yeah. Oh yeah. And one of my friends is selling basketball cards, so the 1,000th subscriber gets a basketball card or a wrestling card. You better kill himself. Give me that daggone thing. You better kill himself. You better back up behind a big old heavy machinery. Just show the trail. Oh, it's all, bro.
Yeah, she's got some ants. We'll have to wash them off.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe if we put some fresh blood
That's
on.
all we can show. We can't show that on YouTube. Yeah. All right. We're gonna see you when we get the next deer. Peace.